In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Affirm cannot create account. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check the error message, read the error message carefully, and note any details. It can help identify the issue. If that is not the case, you want to also go ahead and check your information. Make sure that your name, your date of birth, SSN, and address are correct and match your official records. The other thing you want to do is check your eligible requirements. So simply go ahead and ensure you meet the Affirm's eligibility requirements to create an account. Use an email and mobile number that you have access to and avoid temporary or fake info. If you don't have a stable internet connection, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and avoid VPNs and proxy servers. If you're using any kind of browser, simply clear the cache, update your Affirm application, and if none of it works, simply go ahead and contact Affirm support at affirm.com/help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.